Alright. Rabbit and Steel. Oh, let me actually join. Wait, what's the Defender Rabbit? Oh, is this the update?
No, this is the one we just unlocked for being Charge Mouse.
Oh. Deals 50 damage 3 times in a line in front of you. Hurls a magic ball straight forward that will explode. Deals 380 damage at a large radius and erases projectiles.
Oh, I
Does
didn't
not
read
have
that
a
part.
cooldown. Instead, it gains 2 uses every time you use 5 abilities. That's cool. Gain brief invulnerability and a large boost to your movement speed. After 0.5 seconds, you will stop in place and raise your shield, granting invulnerability. Wait, so is it invulnerability and then more invulnerability?
Yeah.
Oh, are you gonna try it?
Yeah.
Okay. Die. This fight's kind of underwhelming.
I'm perfectly fine with that. She dies before this hits me. She dies before this. Ah!
She dies before it hits me.
She dies before this hits me. It's fine.
Throwing daggers.
Oh my god, I have to fucking read. Like Cursed Eye. I don't really like that.
I love Curse.
I think,
Oh,
honestly,
wait.
I think the Opal Necklace is like best on you.
Cool.
Because you're mashing your
I
special.
am supposed to use my special.
You aren't using it at all, are you?
No, I'm not.
I noticed because I don't see Warcry going at 350.
But I am supposed to. You are right.
You are
So
supposed to.
Maybe I should try doing that. This will maybe give me a good reason to actually do that. Besides, 10% extra damage is kind of busted. But I like burn.
Oh no, looks like I'm playing a heal build too, badass. Missed, fuck.
Spread out.
Stop targeting me.
Lasts for a while.
Yeah. Oh, this is
Warcry.
Why is it still on me?
Man, it really doesn't like you.
Womp.
Jeez. Nice.
Yeet.
Bursting rubber.
You're instant lovers. Look how far you move when you fucking defensive
Oh
on
my
this.
goodness.
If you're holding, it goes so far.
That was like half the screen. I see bleed.
Ooh,
Oh,
I kind of like
Rogue
Dark
is kind
Mage.
of good.
Dude, I am not hitting that. I'm good.
Ooh, wait, Dark Mage looks awesome.
Yoink.
Hey, yoink.
Yoink.
I wasn't gonna take it anyway. I need debuffs.
You're
Come
so
here.
fat.
Come here. Come here.
No, it's this fight.
I hate this.
Womp.
Come here. No.
Oh, wait! I
Come here.
realized I was in it. Wait, she. Uh-oh.
Dude,
Wow,
this is
that's
so
a lot of
hard.
iframes.
Yeah, I got bleed on you, bitch.
Be in range.
Alright, you get more bleed.
Be in range. I hate that. Dude, I kinda have to be in a horizontal line doing spin damage.
Uh-huh.
Not particularly fun when that's happening.
Damage is reduced, but number of hits is increased now.
This is just number of hits increased. I don't think there's a downside to that.
Why would I want this?
That's kind of.
I don't like any of these, honestly.
Well, I want a special build now because if otherwise, this kind of just screws my build.
Similar to me.
Yay!
Oh, damn it. Oh, I actually got really lucky there.
Oh, oops, that's on me.
Oh.
I did not realize there were two things there.
I didn't realize either.
Wait, I have it again. I have it again.
Don't worry, I used my thing.
Wait, spread out! Spread out! Get off
Oh,
me!
there was a spread out?
Yeah, it's all spread out.
I almost did it again.
Jack, keep doing it again.
God damn it.
Good fucking lord.
Dude, I'm trying so it's so hard to read
Stop
any of this.
moving like a crackhead. That's the Terry Quarry. Jack, get away from me!
What up, Reed?
Everybody
Fucking
running
God.
hide.
You didn't even remember to buy a raging butt.
No, of course not. It's not that I didn't remember, it's so that I'm not a pussy.
No, you did not remember. I know.
I
Oh, jeez.
Pussies.
Oh shit. Oh.
Wait, she's staying in my zone. I just hit her.
It's debuffing time.
The hell y'all playing?
Rabbit
The
and steel.
Rabbit and Steel.
Rabbit and gay
Our gay
lovers.
little, gay little game. You should get it, Peyton. You'd love it.
A gay little game.
It's got
You would
got
love it,
small
Peyton.
women in
Okay.
it. You'd love it.
Oh,
Oh, I'm coming.
huh.
Oh, it's this map.
Yay, Taylor. Oh no. Oh
I haven't
no.
gotten
That was a
bitten
lot
down there
faster than I
before.
thought.
That stayed a lot longer than I thought.
Oh shit.
Figure out what it was that bit you, or
I'm pretty sure it's a velvet ant. How did that hit me?
ooh,
Why do they have so much? Wait, what do I even do? I don't have iframes.
I don't believe you. I think you're fine.
Oh,
This is free
shit.
DBS.
I just iframed that.
man, there's a bunch of re.
Damn it.
Try so hard.
God damn it, fat ass. Stop weighing me down. You're tilting the entire earth.
The leg is gaining growth.
Spread out,
Oh,
spread out,
fuck
spread
it.
out, spread out!
I wasn't gonna until I did.
You were literally in me as it was going off.
Barely.
And I'm gonna take that out of context. Have fun, retard.
Ugh.
Like Peyton wasn't so fat, maybe I'd respect him more.
Nah, not me.
I should honestly, now that I think about it, I should probably be the one staying in the middle. But, the left love.
Okay, go have fun.
Yeah, I'm gonna say your mash abilities.
Shit. Oh, thank goodness.
God,
Damn, you just did over 1,000 damage.
hell yeah.
Your defensive applies poison. That's not that bad.
Uh,
Every 10 seconds fires a projectile at your targeted enemy that deals 50 damage and applies poison.
these are ass.
This one lasts longer, and I use my defensive more. I'm taking coat. See, now my debuff build, it's all that karma coming back.
I mean, I could take Ocarina, but
I would
chance we
love
lived
that.
it. I mean, you should take it,
Nah, debuffs.
fat motherfucker. I should have just taken the bow for extra DPS.
Guess what? Debuff. Oh, there's
wait, it's
knockback.
not- yeah.
I did not notice the nah. Fuck me.
Sure.
What do I do there?
Oh yeah, spread out. I'm gonna just hide.
I've already taken 2 hits.
You've already taken one action.
Oh,
Oh, please,
shit.
please. What?
Wait, how did I? What? You?
You went. Now you've taken 2 hits.
Yeah.
I think this is your favorite, so watch out.
I didn't take a hit there. Oh wait, how about did I? I framed that. All right.
Oh, dude, I was so focused, I was not getting abilities.
This one I can take, I think. Wait, actually, what's happening?
Just stay away from the tether. That's all you're caring about here.
Okay.
So you're staying on whatever half you're not tethered to. She called me a villain? Hell yeah, villain. I don't know which one goes first. That one really should have an indicator for goes first.
Most of the
Or
time I
magic.
do, I feel like.
I feel like that one doesn't, in particular. And that might just be a memory issue.
Come on, reset my special.
Oh my god.
What did I get hit by?
You stood in the middle.
What's wrong with the middle? Oh,
You see how it's a bright white light? Yeah.
I don't like this.
Oh my
You're
fucking
welcome.
God. You died in the worst possible spot you could.
Oh, shizzle. Okay. Up here.
That is surprisingly tight, actually.
Mm-hmm. Oh. Dang it. I think I cast all my debuffs before I died.
That's the spirit. I took a hit there? No way.
Yeah, it's because you're bad at the game.
I always keep forgetting that they like don't have hitboxes or like hurt
Oh,
boxes.
good thing
that
I cast,
die.
yeah. My debuffs before
I
it did
need
that.
my. Oh, I'm about to fucking nuke this bitch.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, Krakatoa!
I am. Did you like my nuke, too? Was it good? You happy?
Dude,
Proud of me?
Dude, how it. Proud is one word, I guess. Yeah. You did the jink opposite, which is very funny.
It is funny.
And by I mean opposite to what you just did.
How did I do 1,000 damage there? That's pretty cool.
I'm assuming crit on special. Wait, no, I don't want to use that.
Can my special reset, please? There we go.
Krakatoa!
Oh.
Oh, I did not. Yay! Oh, I'm stabbing a mouse to death.
Yeah, kill it. Die. Oh.
So this is a cool
Okay, I
thing called.
apparently don't
know how
live
to
if I
prop-
go all the way down there.
I
Oh.
thought it was far. That was on me. I thought it was
I
far
didn't.
enough for that.
Okay, I just didn't realize the tether was about to pop. I thought we had more time.
Oh, I would have died there if I was. I thought I had invincibility up. I'm gonna be
I was
honest.
gonna say it didn't look like you were gonna die.
I don't know why. I really thought I had like 10 seconds on that cooldown. Don't
I'm
come
gonna
near
go
me,
with fat ass blade.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ass blade.
had it. My God, you somehow managed to choose the character with the most similar color palette.
No,
to me
it's
every time.
purple. What do you mean? It's purple.
Do
You
you
have
have
no
eyes?
purple on you.
Dude, look at the hair. Oh, I'm
The
choosing.
hair doesn't. I don't look at the hair when I'm trying to distinguish who I
Dude,
am. There's an aura of
you-
purple around me. I'm playing dancer, and you're gonna like it.
Then fucking play dancer.
So I can make sure I match you as much as possible to piss you off.
That bitch.
God damn it.
I really don't think you have a sense of like color composition. I'm gonna be honest.
I just know how to distinguish myself better than you.
No, you don't have a sense of color composition. Jack, get the fuck away from me.
I'm fine.
Yay.
Flash is kind of cool.
Flame dance is kind of funny, I guess.
Unless you want it, I guess.
Nah, 'cause I want money.
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 Sakabujaki.
You're dumb. Oh, hey, the fight I don't like dealing with.
Oh, damn. Okay, maybe Flame Dance was the good thing.
I never realized the outline. Fuck.
Shit.
Up.
Shit.
Fuck this fight, dude.
God, I missed.
I think you missed.
I didn't miss that time.
God, I hate that fight. Dude, anything that affects my mobility, I hate.
It is really annoying.
You should take Sand Priestess if you want to go.
I actually might take Dragon Spear since my primary is already getting buffed. I mean, Sand Priestess would be good. but I'd rather put all my money on red.
God. It's either Hairpin or Sand Priestess.
Go crazy.
Eh,
Isn't
take
your
Hairpin.
secondary kind of busted?
no.
Oh.
It's the special that's good. And the secondary is
Ah.
alright.
That was good.
Yippee!
Yippee! That fight is stupid.
I like it because it's easy as hell.
I don't want that.
Oh. Oh, hell yeah. Gambling it all on black.
I had
Oh
this one
my-
last time.
okay.
It was pretty good.
I have a really bad idea for a build, and I'm
Uh-oh.
going all in. So, secondary has a 30% chance of resetting special and supercharging it.
Ah,
I chose
like
the
that.
special that has more damage but has a way longer cooldown, so I'm betting it all on black.
It's this fight. Oh, that was delayed. That's unfortunate.
If I finally hit my 30%.
Alright, go crazy. Damn. I think it went crazy.
Ugh.
Holy shit! 740 DPS!
Hold on, I gotta look at my.
Oh my god.
Oh, when this ability is charged, I'm camera.
Oh.
Wait.
Oh, that's not that bad.
Ugh.
Oh, damn it, she moved. Stop moving.
Womp. I got it again, Jack. Whirr.
Holy crap. Damn.
I'm a washing machine. Dude, this is gonna go wild in this fight if I can hit my percentages. Okay, missed one. Missed
My
two.
percentage also isn't working. There we go, flash.
Missed three. Am I framing this?
Oh, my iframe didn't last long enough. That's annoying.
I hit it on 8.
You got this.
Oh my god, I just grazed that.
Alright, you stay in there.
Yeah, I got it.
Alright, go crazy.
Dude, this is a
Oh,
30%
dang.
chance, by the way. And I am not hitting. I'll go. Wait, wait.
Ah!
I'm
Oh, I
retarded.
barely did not take damage there. Oh, I'm just gonna stay here.
Dude, my
I'm not
RNG
doing a
is
lot of damage though.
really bad. I'm rolling on a 30%. It's a 1 in 3.
Alright, get over here, buddy. Okay, I got flash.
I got it. They're dead.
Holy crap.
I went over odds at least 3 times. I kind of want wings. I'm assuming you're gonna grab poison.
I don't really have a debuff build. Yeah, I'll do poison. Is poison a percentage of the damage that your attack does?
I think it literally. It's doing 30 damage every second for 5
okay.
seconds. Or I don't know if it's 30 over 5. I think it's 30.
I think it's 30 per
Second
5
or-
seconds, like every second.
I think so too.
Oh, I don't like this
Sig.
fight.
Uh-oh. Oh, shit. I nuked too early.
I inked. How do you escape that,
iframed this one.
actually?
It's called me iframing it. No, actually, it's
shit.
fine. I don't like this
Oh,
one.
goodness.
Oh, I got the nuke. Come here.
Oh, goodness.
Come here, I hit.
Did it?
Yeah.
I can't get close enough to use my primary. Okay. Finally.
Come here. Oh, it's this one.
Oh, I barely missed it. Damn it. That is such a tight window to hit. Fuck. And there's another one.
I have to be careful with my abilities. I keep slowing myself, and that's why I keep taking
Alright.
minutes.
Use your thing.
I don't have it.
Oh, shit! Tether. Oh no, no! Dude, it's so hard to read this one.
Womp womp womp. Oh man, we should probably do that one. I'm going over odds now. I hit it so many times early. Come on. Uh-oh. I wasted it. Oh, hey, her minions are about to die, by the way.
We had a-
Shit.
Oh my god!
I like this character.
I could tell.
I need this to. I need the proc really bad here, and it's not fucking procking. This should at least hit it like a fucking motherfucker. Oh wait, it's a cross. Oops.
Yeah, I got like 4 of them.
Hey. I'm not getting my DPS. That one should die.
Can I get flash index, please? Please?
I have not rolled this in so long. Uh-oh. I can't dodge this attack, Jack.
You got this.
What? Oh my god, the tether. I thought it was over then.
You got this. Holy shit. Oh, tether is still not over?
Oh, that's how I dodged it. Okay.
Yeah, I just iframed that.
Dude, I did not know how to dodge that properly.
Okay.
Tether. Oh my god, that was a little close. Hey, Eco.
Ooh. I'm ecoing.
Easy going. We are on tether.
I'm aware.
Move down, move down. Okay. No, you're weak as hell. Please. Eat, die!
God damn.
She's going down.
Oh my goodness, dude.
Yay!
Oh, I was on 1 HP? That's annoying.
Yeah, you were on 1 HP. That's why I was being really careful with the tethers.
Why isn't it even... Wait, I already have... I don't need any of these. These are all bad. Okay. I'm just getting Essence of Strength and Wit then.
Yeah, I got an instance of whatever the fuck the secondary is.
Because I don't want any of these. That was terrible.
I got an alright ball.
You have 3 because of the money thing you got.
Yeah. We win here.
Nice. No, no, no.
I honestly do like this background music.
It's not that bad. What?
Keep moving. Keep moving.
Stop moving.
You're not in circles.
Ugh.
Womp womp.
What? What damage did I take?
I actually don't know what.
I took 2 actually.
What
God,
the fuck are you
fuck.
taking damage to? What are you taking damage to, actually? Get away from me. I wonder if you were moving a little too early. They're going down here.
Maybe? I
That's
took
the
3
thing I
hits.
can think of. Yay, first roll! Oh no, it's... third roll!
Oh, thank goodness. that hit.
Fourth roll!
Oh, shit.
Fifth roll! Oh wait.
I don't think I like this fight. What
Oh,
even hit me? I legitimately have no idea.
Oh, you're chaining me!
I do not know what hit me there. Oh,
Here, here, here.
What do you mean here?
You have to get into the circle with the
I'm
match the
gonna
numbers.
fuck me.
Fuck me a tight little red ass. Uh-oh, rolled it again! That's fast.
It's very fast.
I think I rolled it again.
Oh, thank God. I was not having fun that fight.
I could tell.
Hey, treasure! Please give me something nice.
Oh my god. Fuck. Wait, that's fire skill is cool, but not good.
Maid outfit's kind of neat. I'm gonna do Ghost Flame. Why not?
That was not particularly good.
Yeah.
I've never fought this boss on hard, so I'm gonna bank on good RNG, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, 6 seconds, well, fuck yeah.
Spread out. Tethered. Get
And
the
spread
line,
out.
spread out. Oh shit. Keep moving.
And spread out, watch out for that. Match, match, match.
Were we supposed to stay still? I couldn't even tell. Keep moving,
Yeah,
spread
yeah.
out.
Stop
Okay,
moving, Matt.
stop moving and
Need to
match.
get out, get away from
We got it, we got it. Eventually I read it. Wait, what? Oh, and then go here. Okay. Okay, I'm getting it. Flash!
Alright, second.
Uh,
To stay out of each other's radius, I guess. I think that's what that means.
oh shit.
That was honestly really good iframe usage.
I cannot tell.
Moving,
keep moving. I just used
And
iframe.
spread out, keep moving.
Oh god! Did you see how close I was? Spread out,
I'm
keep
not
moving.
going jiggling my mouse like a motherfucker. Oh, anti-transform,
shit.
hell. Come on. Roll my 30%.
Wow. You're getting ghost flame, bitch. I should not have used my special there. I got flash, 100-yard dash.
Flash,
Shit.
flash, 100 yard dash.
Oh, I've had this fight before. I wasn't very good at it. My ineptitude to play
Ah,
Osu is coming out. Hold on, I'm about to come back. Okay, cool. Revive!
Stop
Oh,
moving,
stop
spread out.
moving.
My build is like full RNG.
Oh god.
In the circle.
What?
Dude, I can barely read this one,
It's
I'm not
really
gonna lie.
difficult. Oh, you're tethered.
I'm aware.
Holy, that's a very long tether.
Dude, I can't do anything about this. What the fuck? I'm gonna sit
on.
out here.
I got you.
I took 3 damage to that shitty attack.
What?
Fucking, oh, god damn it.
I don't
I
know
didn't
what
think it was
color I
coming
am.
out that fast.
This one. Do I just stay in the middle?
Yeah.
Spread out. Match colors. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh,
Wow, that's
shit.
really fast.
Yeah, they're a little fast.
Please, please die. Dude, she's so close to dying. Oh my
I don't
god.
know how I didn't die there.
Fuck!
I got this. I need to stretch and stop moving.
It was
What?
stop moving.
I did stop moving. The screen moving is what fucked me.
No, what happened, I think, is that you dragged my body and then it caused you to move. That's what I was worrying about the entire. I took
Momentum.
3 fucking hits on that one attack.
Ugh. I like pulled a muscle in my shoulder playing that. God damn it.
I can imagine just whipping your mouse across the desk.
Full arms length to the right.
Dude's farming RSI.
Hi.
God damn it. You're like a sibling that just follows. We can go to any stage we want now.
Go crazy.
Start. I don't want to play Scholars Nest.
My shoulder feels better, so we're
No, I'm
good.
going Scholars Nest actually.
I don't want to go to this place. Nah, we
I
going.
honestly, the other ones were Red Dark House and Emerald Lake, and I didn't want to do either of them, so.
Oh shit.
Scratch it up here, right? I do.
What?
You did not go far enough for the tether.
What? I guess I didn't notice.
I want to do Kappa or Opal here. I don't really want one. Or I mean, not fucking Metronome.
Too bad I already have Opal.
Fuck it.
What you
I
gonna
want
do,
12 seconds.
huh?
I can disconnect the lobby right now.
Yeah, you won't. Well, you did. God damn.
Yeah, damn.